These generous humans let me sample their entire pantry. Hospitality ain't dead, boys.
So you've seen those insane AI videos blowing up. Talking bears, Olympic cats, glass fruit getting sliced with perfect ASMR detail.
And here comes Whiskers aiming for that perfect 10. What incredible form.
You're wondering,
truly
how the hell are people making these? Well, it's not magic. It's Google VEO 3.
Guys, they found me and they're gonna kill me. Shitting in their tent was a bad idea.
Today, I'm showing you exactly how creators are using it to make viral content. Not with random luck, but with strategic prompt formulas. In this video, I'll walk you through my step-by-step prompt structures for cinematic vlog scenes, Olympic animals, ASMR videos, all proven to get viral-worthy results using VEO 3. I'll add the timestamps so you can jump to any section you want. All right, let's jump straight into the prompt formula that's powering some of the most viral AI-generated content right now. This is the exact structure I use to create every scene, and when you follow it right, your characters feel alive, consistent, and entertaining. Here's the general formula from the My VEO 3 Ultimate Playbook for Viral Videos. I added the link in the description, so check that out as well. Character plus action plus camera angle plus environment lighting. Character says in a tone of voice, dialogue. You can also optionally add ambient sound or music to fine-tune the audio mood. This formula gives VEO 3 everything it needs. A unique character identity, a specific cinematic setup, a dynamic camera style, a sense of mood and tone, and most importantly, vivid, human-like dialogue. Since AI-generated vlogs are dominating social media platforms and creators are getting millions of views, we'll create a vlog-style video first. Now, let's see our formula in action with our first character. Instead of using common characters that everyone is using, we'll use our own unique character. I'll add my character as a big fluffy bear with sunglasses and a GoPro harness. Now for action, let's add walk slowly through a dense forest holding a selfie stick. Next is our camera angle, which is selfie style, camera angle from front, slightly tilted. Now for environment, I already mentioned a dense forest, and for lighting, I'll add light rays pierce through trees. Now, Bear says in tone of voice, which is an old Southern American male voice. And finally, the dialogue. I ain't had a decent snack in 3 days. If I find one more pine cone, I'm gonna cry.
I ain't had a decent snack in 3 days. If I find one more pine cone, I'm gonna cry.
Here's why this works. Camera angle. The selfie style angle from front, slightly tilted, tells VEO it's handheld and has some motion, adding realism. Lighting. Light rays pierce through trees, sets a warm golden hour vibe that's cinematic. Now that our first video is done, it's easier to create the full vlog sequence. Now these are the prompts I use to create next scenes. For the second scene, I changed the scene to where he finds a tent.
Oh, sweet gravy, is that a tent? Please tell me they pack snacks.
Then I added a little bit of humor in the third scene and generated this clip.
Whew! These generous humans let me sample their entire pantry. Hospitality ain't dead, boys.
So up until this point, all our scenes focused on a single character, our fluffy bear with a GoPro. But in scene 4, let's take it a step further and introduce our second character. Here's the prompt. A big fluffy bear with sunglasses and a GoPro harness walks casually through a forest trail holding a selfie stick. He suddenly stops and tilts the camera slightly to the right, revealing Bigfoot standing behind a tree, also holding a selfie camera and vlogging. Selfie-style camera angle from the bear's front left. The big fluffy bear says in an old Southern American male voice. Here's the full video.
I ain't had a decent snack in 3 days. If I find one more pine cone, I'm gonna cry. Oh, sweet gravy, is that a tent? Please tell me they pack snacks.
Whew! These generous humans let me sample their entire pantry. Hospitality ain't dead, boys.
Dang. Didn't think I'd run into the forest's second most handsome vlogger today.
Now before we jump into our next viral video prompt structure, let's pause for a second and talk about something super important. Character consistency. If you've been watching closely, you've probably noticed something. Even though I generated all these clips separately, our big fluffy bear always looks the same. That's not a coincidence. It's by design. The biggest mistake people make with VEO3 is that they treat every prompt like it's a one-off. They write, "A bear is walking through the forest holding a selfie stick." But if you do that, VEO is going to give you a different bear every single time. Instead, your goal is to write a unique, detailed character description once, then copy-paste that exact same description at the beginning of every single prompt that includes them. Same rule applies to voice and tone. If your bear sounds like a chill old Southern uncle in one scene, he shouldn't suddenly talk like a British butler in the next. That's why I always end my dialogue with "says in an old Southern American male voice." All right, the next format that's really going viral is Animal Olympics. This format is pure entertainment gold, and it's been blowing up on social media lately. Let's break down the exact formula you can use. A televised, cinematic, realistic video of an animal performing a professional-level Olympic sport inside a massive modern Olympic stadium filled with cheering crowds. The scene is captured in Revue Maneater. The animal shows surprising form and skill. The video includes ambient stadium sounds like roaring applause, loudspeaker commentary, camera flashes, and background national flags waving. No music, no subtitles. This prompt is packed, so here's a breakdown of each placeholder and how to personalize it for max impact. First, you need to fully describe the animal's breed, appearance, expression, and even accessories to get the best and most consistent visuals. Think a fluffy Persian cat wearing red sweatbands. Secondly, pick any Olympic event. I'll pick an acrobatic dive. Feel free to experiment with niche or unexpected sports for comedy value. Now the third placeholder is camera movement. This tells VEO3 how to visualize the action. Be specific. What makes this prompt format so powerful is how flexible and reusable it is. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. By simply swapping the placeholders, you can generate endless variations, each one feeling fresh, unique, and ready to go viral. Here's the video.
And here comes Whiskers aiming for that perfect 10. What incredible form, a truly pawsome dive.
Now the second prompt, we're painting a picture of a powerful, athletic dog to make the pole vault feel believable and impressive. In the character description, I'll add wearing a blue headband and matching jersey. Change the Olympic activity to professional level pole vault and set the camera angle to dramatic dolly zoom. By the way, my Google VEO3 guide in the description has everything explained in detail, including the different camera shots and angles you can use in your videos. Here's the video. Now, similar to these two prompts, I changed the placeholders and created the video. Here's the video.
And what an incredible display of skill and precision from this remarkable athlete.
This isn't just a prompt, it's a repeatable system. And the more you experiment with combinations, the more viral potential you unlock. If you've been scrolling through shorts or reels lately, you've definitely seen them. Those viral glass fruit slicing videos with hyper-realistic ASMR sounds. I'll walk you through several different formats, break down what makes them work, and give you plug-and-play prompt templates that you can use right away. Here's the first one. A hyper-realistic cinematic close-up of a whole, full-shaped, colored glass object made of transparent glass. The object is centered on a wooden cutting board, glowing subtly under natural or studio lighting. A human hand holding a sharp stainless steel knife slowly approaches. In slow motion, the knife makes the first clean slice through the glass object. The front section breaks off with delicate glass crack sounds. Then the knife makes a second slice, sending small transparent shards scattering. No music, only ASMR slicing sounds. Macro camera, shallow depth of field, cinematic lighting. You can simply replace the placeholders for LAS. Choose a color that matches or creatively contrasts with the object. Example, deep red for strawberry, soft yellow for banana, vibrant green for kiwi. Always describe lighting in your prompt. Studio lighting, sunlight, or golden hour makes a huge difference in the realism. Keep your camera terms specific, macro, cinematic, shallow depth of field. Want your fruit to look slightly different? Add material cues like frosted glass, cracked crystal, or even molten glass for variation. You can rinse and repeat this prompt dozens of times. Change fruit, colors, add a new slicing tool, or even place it in unusual environments like marble counters or jungle tables. Now here are some other formats of ASMR. Next is melting objects. A hyper-realistic macro video of a translucent jelly cube slowly melting on a hot black metal surface. The cube bubbles and flattens gradually, forming liquid pools around the base. Camera captures every detail in slow motion. Gentle, sizzling ASMR sounds only. No music or talking. Soft background blur, close-up lens. Let's do crushing objects. A macro close-up of a ripe strawberry being slowly crushed under a glass slab. Red juice oozes out from the sides, seeds crack, and the skin tears open in slow motion. Ambient squish and crackling sounds only. Background softly lit, no dialogue or music. Next is ice cracking. A close-up cinematic shot of a frozen lemon made of crystal clear ice sitting on a wooden table. Cracks begin forming from the top, spreading slowly downward with soft ice-popping sounds. Ice particles fall to the sides. ASMR, cracking sounds only. Macro lens, shallow depth of field, no music. All right. Let's talk about one of the most fun and shareable video formats you can create with Google VEO 3. Street interviews. You've seen these before. Random people on the street saying hilarious or shockingly relatable stuff. They feel spontaneous, real, and oddly addictive. And guess what? You can generate these completely with AI. Now, here's how we structure the perfect street interview prompt. A realistic street interview style video. An interviewer description holding a microphone with a visible news logo, stands, camera angle. Interviewing a person description in location. The background is lively with ambient details. The person says in a tone of voice, dialogue. Include ambient city sounds, no music, no subtitles. This format gives Google VEO the full context, the style, the setup, and most importantly, the personality. So here's my first prompt looks like. In this prompt, we've got a female reporter in a blue blazer, classic news-style mic with logo, and an over-the-shoulder camera angle for that authentic street interview vibe. The setting? Times Square, packed with tourists, and the subject is a sweaty man clutching a burrito, totally out of breath. Perfect for capturing chaotic New York energy.
Lady, I just ran 6 blocks to catch this burrito truck. If this thing ain't spiritual, yeah, I'm suing somebody.
Now, here's fun prompt of reporter interviewing a cat. This one goes off the rails in the best way. The setup, a reporter interviewing a fancy-looking cat wearing a bow tie. The low-angle shot is focused entirely on the cat's face, giving it authority. And, with a posh British accent, this cat delivers pure, meme-worthy dialogue.
I came here for tuna and gossip, but all I've seen is disappointment and pigeons.
If you're thinking, this is awesome, but how do I keep coming up with great prompts like these? I got you covered. I put together the ultimate Google VEO 3 prompt guide, a fully structured copy-paste playbook with character formulas, cinematic shot tips, dialogue formats, and over viral-ready prompt ideas across multiple categories. Seriously, this guide saves you hours of trial and error and thousands of wasted credits. Add a discount code YTSubscriber and get a 15% discount. Link is in the description. Check it out and let me know what wild scenes will you generate.